Paano nga ba ako napunta dito sa BG House? Napunta ako dito kasi who did? God did. Ako nga pala si Sky at ang kasabihan ko sa buhay, it's never too late to set a new goal in life.
I've been alone too long, gotta learn how to walk with my shadow. I've been so low in my lane, till you showed up out of nowhere, damn, now I got a halo. So keep up, I'm saying but they praying I keep up. Don't let up on me, I know you're waiting so
So yun, kakain muna ako. Kaya tara, samahan niyo ako. Let's go.
Man, I'm just playing, shot when I land.
Alright guys, so kakataas ko lang kumain. Tapos ayun, mamaya mag-Starbucks kami. Kasama namin si Derpy. Kasama natin yan mamaya. Tsaka si Kiluwa. Trabaho na muna ako.
It was always me versus me, it was never me versus you.
So guys, ano muna ako Marshall, dito ako magpapaalam sa girlfriend ko. So yun, mahal, papunta kami sa Starbucks ngayon. Ito yung mga kasama ko.
What's up, vlog?
Ito boy, masipag.
Nagugulo mo, nagtututbrush yung tao rito eh. Tuturuan ako kayo paano kumatok ng tama. Paano ka ba kumatok? Testing mo muna sa pinto namin. Di ka marunong.
Do you wanna build a snowman?
Di ka marunong kumatok.
O, paano?
Ng pilit ng ano, tunay na Pinoy.
Oh, paano? Uy, uy, COVID,
Uy.
tumutugtog par!
Di ba?
Rine-record namin para hindi ka pwede tumanggi. Pupunta na tayo ng Starbucks.
Tanginan yan. Ganito yung tsura ko yung Starbucks.
So ayun guys, tara na sa Starbucks.
Hop off the bus, now I'm in it. Say my goodbyes, I'll be.
Okay guys, nandito tayo ngayon sa SB. Kasama natin ang gang-gang na si Johnny.
Let's go, outfit check, pambahay lang. Ganyan talaga pag mga taga-Tagaytay.
Now bagong gupit ako guys. Zoom mo,
At syempre mga kaibigan, nandito ako at syempre nandito nga pala siya. Diyan, pag ito umabot ng 100k likes.
Uy, 100k agad!
Oo.
Nilibre mo kami tag-isang
Ililibing natin si Bon.
So imposible yun.
Started as a teen with my queen and a baby girl. It was all a dream, now it seems like I had a world. I'm not really seen on the scene, but I like it like that. Only if a green is.
So ayun, tapos na kami mag-hangout dito sa Starbucks. At ayun, pabalik na kami sa BG House. Let's go!
The money, the pressure be calling. Left on my blessings, I feel like I'm falling. The birdie is back. Tell me I'm garbage, I'm going through something. That's why I ain't calling. Phone and progression is solid.
I've been alone too long, gotta learn how to walk with my shadow. I've been so low in my lane.
Guys, nandito tayo sa kwarto ng lamin. Saan ka boy?
Regalo par. Parte ng regalo kay Rick par.
Cute naman yan boy.
Ayaw mo nang pakialaman par kasi dyan.
Look, never been the type to walk around with broken promises.
Guys, isubscribe yung channel ni Sky.
Paalam kapatid!
Smile will hide behind my confidence. Them same lips you be kissing, yeah, this love and
Joy, anong masasabi mo? Iniwan tayo ni Lamin.
Wala na, nagka-ninja lang, yumabang na. Makakuha lang ng equipment, wala na.
Ayun lang. Kung mapapansin nyo guys, may nangyayari dito sa BG House. At yun ay...
Halloween party at anniversary.
So ngayon guys, gusto ko kayo isama sa behind the scene nitong Halloween party at anniversary party. So tara, samahan nyo kami. Let's go! Ayun o, BG Haunted House.
Man, I'm just playing, shot when I land. Promoter paid for 6 flights, got the team right. I just. They say I wouldn't do it like I won't. They say I couldn't do it and they feel. They say I wouldn't do it and I fall. They say I couldn't do it and I did.
So ayun guys, tapos na kami mag-workout ni Lamin. Ayan, nagti-tiktok na lang siya ngayon. Tapos pabalik na din kami sa BG House.
Masarap! Si Carlin naman! 5, 6, 7, 8, 9! Ang lakas! Ang lakas!
cameraman, wala pa.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Kalungkot ng seconds.
Pati mata ko, minam!
1, 2, 3, 4. Isa pa.
Sarap no?
Hoy, meron pa boy.
Sino pa?
Hawakan mo.
Last touch.
Tukoy nang yun. Gago din yun, nakilala sa sarili niya.
Ano, di nyo mapainom, no? O nyo, no?
Said I'm taking big shots. Just stop where I'm driven, no pit stops. This hot, I ain't playing like a 6 spot. Pissed off, thought I told him this a chip shot.